Alright guys, so my friend Yogesh is sitting on the 2022 KTM 390 Adventure, the brand new one with a black and grey color combination, and he's just taken a test ride of this bike and he is super impressed with the bike at this point. Now he is sitting on the bike and checking out the stance. So I'm just going a roundabout. There's no major difference between 2021, 2020 and this bike, but there are small updates as always, which KTM does. So yes, I think one is the alloy wheels, the number of spokes, and the off-road mode has been added to the feature, which is going to provide you a better traction control levels, or turn off the traction control levels, whatever, when you do the off-road. So that's the major difference, and the color combinations. So let's hear from Yogesh what he feels after the test ride.
Yeah, the moment I hopped on this bike, it was like bringing a better smile on my face. And secondly, what I feel is like this bike is everything, one bike in the garage. So that feels everything. And one more thing is like it's pretty light on road, and even when you sit on it, I don't feel the weight of the bike. And one thing is the components are pretty good, well to the premium level, and you cannot go wrong with this bike. That's first thing. And you have to get used to the throttle inputs, and I got used to it within 1-2 minutes. So pretty nice bike. Good
Great,
to go.
great. So look forward to see you own and ride this bike very soon. So
Yep.
Bike really looks amazing, and especially this color looks very attractive and cool.
Super. I think we should go for this.
Yes, yes, definitely.
One is with some kind of blue on the tank and orange. This is black and dark grey. Even the tail fin is also the dark grey, but in that color we have white.
Yeah,
And we have one more riding mode added here.
yeah.
So that is something
That
new.
is good.
I believe the quality is good, and we have 12 volt charging port. That is something good. Why? Because if you are a ham radio enthusiast, the radios work on 12 volts. 13.8 actually. You can mount it and go for it. Question is where you mount the antenna. It's back. Yeah, this is phenomenal bike.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
quite impressed.
Certainly.
You are leader of the